This is PCA9685, 16-channel servo driver, but I don't really like it. I will build my own custom servo driver. Much stronger, and I can have as much channels I want. Alright, let's make some magic and solder some electronics. Nice. This is how it looks. Oh, it even works. My beautiful blue LCD. Let's take a look now on our new project. One hand is ready now. Almost everything is ready now for connection and coding. Follow me on my YouTube channel to see more cool stuff and robots. See you in the future.